it's Brooklyn. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe and like this video because we got some exciting stuff coming up. I have some new Apple products here that I have been so excited to show you guys, and some of them have not even been opened yet. So we're gonna do a little unboxing video and show you some of the fun accessories I got and products I got. Yeah, so here we go. We are going to start unboxing this iPad mini. I'm not gonna tell you what color it is yet. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited. Where's the tab? Good old Apple with the tabs. Oh my goodness. Oh no, I ruined it. They make it so easy and I make it look so difficult. Okay, here we go. Just slide it off a little bit. And as you guys probably know from my other videos, whenever I have these long nails, it takes me literally forever. And so good thing I have a great manager that can just fast forward through that part. Okay, here we go. We're gonna set that here. Another tab. I'm like shaking. I'm nervous and excited. Okay, as you can tell, this is Starlight. So awesome that Apple came out with a brand new color. It's like a silverish gold. I have not seen this color yet in person. Yeah, I would say it's a mix between like a silver gold and almost rose gold. Really, really pretty. I'm gonna get into the cases now because we bought some fun cases to go with it. Okay, hold on. I got way too excited with the unboxing and was looking forward to the cases. And now my beautiful iPad mini has fingerprints because of how I was holding it. But I didn't get into what the box includes. I'm doing a whole unboxing. Sorry, guys. Another tab. It has a charger with it. And cord. The iPhone, as most of you probably know, did not come with a charger. So exciting that the iPad did come with that charger. Okay, now time to get into the cases for the iPad mini. I don't know why my brother put purple on top. That's the best color. So we're gonna start with orange. And keep in mind, I have not seen these yet at all in person. I had my iPhone 13 delivered to my house, so I didn't go to the Apple store either. That is so cute. I love it. It's so bright. I love vibrant colors. Holy crap. Okay, so maybe the purple might not be the best color. That is so pretty. We're gonna put the iPad mini in it with all the lovely fingerprints now. Oh, guys, that's so cute. Gosh, I love it. Okay, can't focus on this one. I don't even know. I actually just got to my brother's house and I don't know all of the cases he got for us. So I actually don't even know what the next color is. It looks like it's white. Maybe we should have done that one first. That is seriously so bright. I love vibrant, bright colors. I think it makes all the products super fun. So this white probably will be my least favorite, but we'll see. Gonna open this one up. Pull. That's pretty. I like it. White. Ooh, I like the inside of this. It's like a little gray. That's cute. I love this sound. I could do this all day. The little magnet. Super cute. I like that one a lot. Now getting into the purple. Oh, sorry. I'm unboxing and I keep taking the products away from you guys so you can't see it. So the purple, I want the purple iPad mini. So if I were to get an iPad mini and it couldn't be purple, this would definitely be the case I would get. But that orange, I don't know, looks really cute. I'm pulling weird, there we go. I do have this purple, spoilers, but I do have this purple in the iPhone 13 case. So, guys, I love the inside of these. They're so soft. Yeah, that's pretty cute. I'm not gonna lie, that orange one really surprised me, so I'm kind of obsessed with the orange, but that's really cute. Okay, we got more products. We're gonna keep it mini and go to the iPhone mini. We have the iPhone mini in blue. I'm really excited to unbox this for you guys because I haven't seen this blue color yet. Last year's was a little bit darker blue. This one looks a little bit more fun and brighter, so I'm really excited. Here we go with the arrows. Doop. Doop. Awesome. Ooh, I like that a lot. That is super pretty. And I love when they don't have any smudges on them. It's almost like I don't want to do this, but we're going to do this part. Everyone watch and listen. Oh, oops, okay. It did sound really smooth at first, but really, I like the iPhone mini. I don't usually get the iPhone minis because I like my screen to be a little bit bigger, but this is super cute. I like this blue. And I keep looking at this Sierra blue we have right here, and that's the one I really want to go to next. So we're gonna jump over to the iPhone Pro. The Sierra blue iPhone. When Apple had the announcement, I was looking at the colors, and this is the one I wanted, except I like the size of the iPhone 13, just the iPhone 13, not the Pro. They're a little big for my hands. So I was bummed that this color did not come in the iPhone 13. And I have yet to see it. I like this little black box it's in, and the mini's in the white box. The iPhone 13's in a white box. Here we go, guys. That is so cute. And I like that this is a little bit like, what's that word?
Frost.
Thanks. I like, you're gonna have to just whirl with it. I like that this is more frosty. The iPhone 13 and the iPhone mini are very like shiny, which this one's shiny, but it is frosty. I like that a lot. And the sides look so good. I talked a little bit about this in one of my Apple reviews. I can't remember which one, but you can definitely see the smudge prints on the sides, your fingerprints, and I don't like that part of the Pro. But it looks really, really pretty. Okay, best part again. Let's see if I can not knock it off this time. Perfect. So pretty, no smudges. Yeah, that's awesome. You can't really see the color in front on this one. On some of the 13s you can, or on the iPhone 13, you can definitely see the color pop through. So you can't, it kind of, this one blends in with the screen is what I'm trying to say, the color on the side. We're gonna get into my iPhone now because, well, it's my iPhone, so that's gonna be my favorite one. Okay, the star of the show, we even have the nails to match, the pink iPhone 13. I did a little YouTube short on this iPhone 13 letting you guys know that we are doing a review on it. We'll be doing more reviews on all of these products. So if you want one first, go ahead and comment below and we can for sure do that. Here it is. I was a little disappointed that this iPhone 13 did not come in purple, with the iPhone 12 coming out in purple later. I for sure thought the 13 would. But I saw the pink color and I'm like, okay, that's the best one that I like out of all of them. But then I unboxed it. I actually unboxed it at work. All my cute coworkers had me do it. And they were freaking out. I was freaking out more, I'm pretty sure, because I did not know it was going to be this cute. I thought that the pink color would be a little bit more white. And you can't really tell on camera. I've tried to take pictures of it. You can't tell how bright the pink is. It's like a pretty light pink rather than more white pink. This one is glossy, which I like the glossy look with these stainless steel sides because it doesn't leave those smudges. I have really liked my iPhone 13 a lot. I've been having a case on it, so we're going to show you a case with it. But overall, I've been obsessed. I really did not think I was going to like this pink iPhone, but it's one of my favorite iPhones I've ever had. Last but certainly not least, we have the Graphite Pro Max. This one has been opened, but I actually haven't seen the color yet. Very pretty. I really like the frost of these. You already know it's just the smudges that I don't really like, but that is really, really good looking. Holy crap. Okay, yeah. We're gonna do this. Love it. Pro Max is way too big for my hand, but I just would rather get an iPad than a Pro Max, but it's really, the Pro Maxes are actually really cool. And then filming for us today, we have the gold iPhone Pro. Really, really pretty. My brother ended up getting this one, and I really like it. Shout out to you, gold iPhone Pro, for filming this for us today. Let's line up our iPhones. We got to see them all side by side. We got the mini, the blue mini. That color is a lot cuter than I thought it would be. I don't really love that color of blue, but I really like that color blue. Sorry, I don't really like the color blue, but I really like that color of blue. It makes it super fun. Then we got the Sierra blue. You guys can probably already tell the little difference, the frost and the more glossy. And then we're gonna do the Pro Max. Those are not lined up. That's gonna bother me. There we go. Freaking new iPhone 13. Here we are. Those are gorgeous. I love this time of the year because these phones are so fun to see what they've changed and see the new colors and everything. Freaking happy Techtember. Okay, so we have some cases here. We're gonna start with this one. My brother bought this red one for himself, and I gotta say, this product red maybe looks kind of pink. I would say like a dark magenta. So if you are looking for red, you're gonna kind of get pink. Kind of like my PlayStation 5 controller is how I feel. So the next one we'll do, actually, the next one we have is the Midnight case that is on our gold iPhone 13 Pro right now. So I can't show you guys that one, but we did get the Midnight one. If you want to see it, go ahead and comment and we can show you. I ended up ordering this one for myself first. And it's I don't know how to say it, the pink pomelo. It matches my watch band, so I was like, okay, yeah, that will look really cute with the pink. This is before I knew that they had a purple case. So I ordered it, and guess what? This tech girl ordered the wrong size. So this one will be getting returned. Sorry, Apple, I'm using this as an example before I return it. But I love this color. So cute and super cute with the pink. I don't know if you guys can tell. What am I doing? I'll put it on for you guys. It's just not going to fit super well. Okay, ignore that part, but pretty cute. So I think I'll actually be purchasing this one for the correct size of my phone, the iPhone 13 case. But the one that I did get, I have never done leather case before. And I ended up getting the purple because I freaking love purple. But it's the lavender leather case, and I was pretty hesitant about it, and I had some fries. I had some fries before this, and so this has smudges all over it. Oh, okay, I'm embarrassed a little bit. Okay. I don't like the feel of leather, but I thought, stop laughing, I'm already embarrassed. I do love the buttons on these. I really like that they are like a hard metal. That was super fun that I have not had before because I usually just do the silicone cases. I do think that the purple looks pretty cute on the pink with the pink, but I don't know. My brother and some other people have said they like this one better, but I think I like this one on it better. So I don't know. We're keeping this one. Obviously, I have to keep it because we got some grease stains on it now, but I like the leather a lot more than I thought I would. I just wish it was a lighter purple. I think that's why it's almost like a bluish purple. So that's what I'll be rocking for the time being. And we have more videos that are going to be on these iPhones and the iPad mini. Probably more accessories we'll be getting. So if you had fun with this video and are as excited as me about these products, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that alert button so you'll be the first to know about the video when it comes out. Seriously, guys, I've been having so much fun. We're almost at our year mark with our YouTube channel, and I cannot thank you guys enough for everyone who has subscribed or liked videos, leaves comments. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I cannot say it enough. And as always, have a good day, and we'll see you soon.